everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video. I'm going to be unboxing the BTS Proof Anthology album, the Standard and the Compact, and this also includes the weverse pre-order benefits. I am so excited for this. I am just so proud of BTS and all they have done. I am unboxing this on June 16th, so Proof came out on the 10th. weverse obviously doesn't ship until like the day before, a couple days before, so it's taken a hot second to get to me, but it's also after the announcement that they had on the 13th, or is it the 14th? A couple days ago, about their little break to kind of recharge. And while I'm an empath and I am upset that they're upset, I know that this is gonna be really healing for them. But anyways, we're not here to talk about that. We're here to open the albums. I have never purchased a pre-order for an album before. I've been a fan since August of 2020, but I didn't know about weverse pre-orders until Butter, and I didn't pre-order Butter either. But I was gonna splurge for this huge box. I know that this is huge for a reason because there's a poster in there. Also, if you're new to my channel, my bias is Namjoon, my bias record is Jimin. I'm trying to currently collect all of Namjoon album PCs and just like whatever else I can get. And so I'm manifesting Namjoon, but I honestly don't care who I pull. I can trade and stuff too. I don't mind. And I've also only pulled Namjoon once, an album wise, and the other pull was like a inclusion. So I'm very unlucky when it comes to Namjoon, but my friend likes to say that he's just shot. I just spoiled. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. It's fucking Namjoon. It's Namjoon! I'm gonna cry. I literally... Okay. Okay, here's the deluxe bad boy. We're gonna open that probably last. Also comes with a poster. I'll probably open that later. Who is this? Bro, I got Jimin. Not for the actual pre-order benefit, but whatever these like little... whatever these things are. Jimin. Oh, I got two Jimins. What does that even mean? I don't know what these are. I got Hadley. I'm gonna... Look how cute he is. Oh my god. So cute. And the pre-order is a little stand. That's so cute because I've been wanting to get one. Like a little stand for photo cards. Okay. Pulled my bias record for whatever those little photo things are. This is just, first off, this album is gorgeous. Okay. We're just gonna go like that. Okay. I didn't see who my photo card is. First, we have a poster. I've seen everything that's in this album, by the way. So if I don't act surprised, it's because I've already seen it all. The photo book. Oh, I love the smell of new. Never mind, that kind of smells gross. Okay, cute. This is this, which I absolutely love. has all their discography, so from Too Cool for School all the way to Butter and Permission to Dance. Cute. Okay, we're gonna do the postcard. He is, guys, I think he might have joined my bias line recently. I don't know. My bias line changes a lot, but he's a stunner. Okay. Jin. Guys, I always pull Jin. Jin and Tae. I was born in December, born in between them, so I think it's a December thing. So, period kings. I'm really excited to listen to CD3 because I have heard a few, but I haven't heard all of it, so the CDs. And it opens like that, which, so, the big boy. I'm so nervous. So you slide this thing off. It's like matte. I mean, you could probably watch a way better video than this one. And you open it like this. Ooh, it has a cute little tab. The CDs, which are I think they're just a slightly different, more like a white toned. By the way, this album smells a little too plasticky for my liking. This is my error of finding them dynamite. Shout out. This exact day and everything. Wow. Oh my god, these behind the scenes. Oh my god, I need this photo card of Namjoon. So pretty. Forever. We're gonna go in. I'm gonna start with the poster. Oh, Jimin. Will this focus? Beautiful. I don't want to see who I get. Okay. Put it upside down. We're just gonna go. Here's Jimin's photo card. Group. What am I saying? Group. Hobbies. And you get a full set. Jin's so pretty. Yoongi. Jungkook. My face itches. Namjoon. Beautiful. Okay. Random PC. I pulled Namjoon. I don't know what to say. I don't want to cry because it's like a fucking photo card, but wow. Yeah, okay. I'm just gonna go through everything that I pulled as an overview. Okay, so for those weird, I don't even know what these are. That little like game thing that they have, I pulled double Jimin. For the weverse special gift, Namjoon. For the pre-order, Hobie. For the compact, we have Tae postcard and Jin photo card. For the standard, every member, Jimin, and my man's Namjoon. Okay. Wow, this is so nice. I'm gonna roll. Okay, that is my unboxing. That was the best unboxing I've ever done. Okay. Alright. I will see you guys in my next video. Probably Hobie Palooza or something else, maybe. We'll see. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this comeback. I hope you're feeling okay. I hope you got who you wanted to pull. I hope you're having so much fun. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.